Welcome to the world of MicroF1 for PDL, where we specialize in the implementation of digitalization of financial services. MicroF1 for PDL. It is innovative software designed to automate lending processes and manage credit portfolios efficiently. The process of obtaining a loan from a bank is complicated and time-consuming for the borrower, who also has limited access to full information about credit conditions. We have significantly improved this user experience. Also, we offer fast and safely solution for organizations such as microfinance institutions, financial companies, or other types of lenders. MicroF1 software provides efficient automation of all lending processes. An authorized and identified borrower can choose a credit product. After applying for a loan, MicroF1 builds a scoring model and determines the credit amount for the client. The borrower approves and signs the agreement. We generate extensive analytics and use BI to create reports. We also have an advanced CRM, a soft and hard payment collection module. The manager can easily customize all loan terms and conditions. We have experience in storing and processing big data. The system makes payments in real time. We have already served more than 2 million registered users in the online lending industry. Also, our platform has facilitated the issuance of 2 million loans. And we integrate this full package of services into business in record time. MicroF1 for PDL is your ultimate solution for achieving digital lending success.